Hello Pythonistas. So today we are going to see about the loops which is available in our HackerRank. So the task is the provided code stub reads an integer n from the standard input for all non-negative integers I less than n, print I square. So what they have said is they are getting an input which is n, and it is going to be non-negative and it is going to be some number. And what we want to print is we need to print the square of each number till that particular number in separate lines. So for this we need to first get each number till that particular number. For that we can use a loop for I in range, and I am going to say n, because inside range you should write your ending number which is not going to be attached. So for I in range n means it will vary from 0 to n minus 1. That is what is requested here. If n is equal to 3 means you need to write from 0, 1 and 2 alone. So for I in range n, what I am going to do is, so they are asking us to print the square of each number in separate lines. So I am printing, so each number will be available for me in particular variable called as I square I need to print. So to the raised to the power we can easily do with the help of double star. So I am writing double star of 2, which is nothing but initially it will be 0 to the power 2, 1 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, like that till n minus 1 numbers. So I think that's it friends, this must work. Let me run and show you the code. Yes, so sample case 0 is satisfied. They have given 5, so from 0 to 4 it has printed the squares. Now let me submit the code and check all the sample cases. Yeah, so both the cases are working fine, it is shown. That's it friends, bye bye.